Would you be surprised if I say that the term Greek philosophy is a misnomer? Thales, Pythagoras, Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle are the rock stars of Greek philosophy, but what if I told you they weren't the original masterminds of Greek philosophy? The ancient Egyptians had the concept of summum bonum, or the greatest good. The Greeks copied it and named it as ethics. Historical records show that Greek philosophers, including Aristotle, traveled to Egypt and borrowed philosophical concepts from them. Everyone ascribes know thyself to Socrates, but the Egyptian temples had inscriptions addressed to neophytes as know thyself since ages. After the invasion of Egypt by Alexander, Aristotle converted the library at Alexandria into his own school and copied everything from it. The history of Aristotle's life avoids any statement relating to his visit to Egypt. The Athenian government regarded Greek philosophy as foreign in origin and detested it. If its origin was Greek, why would the ruling establishment consider it foreign and treat it as an alien ideology? Anaxagoras was imprisoned, Socrates was executed, Plato was sold into slavery, and Aristotle was exiled because the ruling class considered them undesirable citizens as they taught Egyptian philosophy. Next time, when someone says Greek philosophy, we must say it is Egyptian philosophy. Follow Cogito History for more such unique exploration of history.